Have you ever sat in front of your Mac Mini, waiting endlessly for a file to render, wondering if your patience will run out before your project finishes? If so, you're not alone. For years, Mac Mini users have relied on these compact machines to handle their creative workloads, gaming sessions, and day-to-day tasks. But as software demands grow and technology evolves, older Mac Minis have begun to show their age. So, the big question is, has Apple finally delivered the ultimate upgrade with the M4 Mac Mini? Let's start with the reality of using an older Mac Mini in 2025. If you've been hanging onto an Intel-based Mac Mini or even an early M1 model, chances are you've noticed the creeping frustration. Slow rendering times, endless loading screens, and an overall sluggish performance can make even simple tasks feel like a chore. Video editors experience choppy playback, gamers battle unbearable frame drops, and multitaskers feel their system struggling to keep up with multiple applications. Sure, you can extend its life by adding external storage or upgrading RAM where possible, but at some point, these fixes become mere band-aids. The tech world moves forward, and eventually, so must we. Enter the M4 Mac Mini, a machine that's compact in size but enormous in capability. At the heart of this tiny powerhouse is the M4 chip, Apple's latest in-house processor. If you thought the M1, M2, and M3 were fast, the M4 takes performance to a whole new level. Built for speed and efficiency, it breezes through intensive tasks, whether that's rendering high-resolution video, compiling massive lines of code, or running virtual machines. Gamers and creative professionals will especially appreciate the upgraded GPU performance, ensuring smooth 4K gameplay and lightning-fast graphic processing. But power alone isn't enough. Efficiency matters just as much. Apple's M4 chip maintains incredible energy efficiency, meaning your Mac Mini stays cool and quiet, even under heavy workloads. That's a game-changer for those who rely on their Mac Mini for long editing sessions or marathon gaming nights. Plus, with ultra-fast SSD storage and configurable RAM options, from a solid 16 GB for everyday users to 32 GB and beyond for professionals, the M4 Mac Mini can be tailored to fit virtually any workflow. For video editors, the M4 Mac Mini is a dream come true. The days of slow export times and frustrating playback issues are over. The system seamlessly handles complex timelines, making it an ideal choice for YouTube creators, filmmakers, and digital artists alike. If your work revolves around high-resolution content, this machine is built to keep up with your creativity. Now let's talk numbers. Compared to older Mac Minis, the M4 delivers a massive boost in CPU performance, making even the most processor-intensive tasks feel effortless. The GPU improvements mean 3D rendering, animation, and gaming run smoother than ever. And when it comes to overall speed, the M4 Mac Mini leaves its predecessors, and even some of its pricier counterparts, struggling to keep up. Whether you're transitioning from an older Intel Mac Mini or even an early Apple Silicon model, the performance leap is undeniable. So, who is the M4 Mac Mini really for? If you're a creative professional, whether that's video editing, graphic design, or music production, the M4 Mac Mini is an obvious choice. Its power and efficiency make it an indispensable tool for demanding workflows. Gamers will also love the improved graphics performance, making it a solid choice for high-resolution gaming without the need for a bulky setup. Everyday users will appreciate the speed, reliability, and future-proofing, ensuring frustration-free computing for years to come. And for those who value a minimalistic or space-saving setup, the compact design of the M4 Mac Mini remains one of its strongest selling points. But beyond performance and design, the M4 Mac Mini makes sense for 2025 and beyond because of Apple's focus on longevity, value, and sustainability. With regular software updates and optimized hardware, this Mac Mini is built to stay relevant for years. It offers incredible performance at a competitive price compared to larger desktops and laptops. And for the environmentally conscious, Apple's commitment to recycled materials and energy-efficient components makes this upgrade even more appealing. So, is the M4 Mac Mini the perfect upgrade for you? If you're tired of the limitations of older Mac Minis and need a machine that delivers power, speed, and efficiency in a compact form? Then the answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're a creative, a gamer, or just someone who values a high-performing desktop without breaking the bank, the M4 Mac Mini sets a new standard for what a small desktop can achieve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.